Today we are going to read about the use of is, am, are and was verb. First of all, we see what are they. Is, am, are and was verb are the forms of the verbs. Is, am, are the present forms. Was verb is their past form, and being is past participle, their third form, and being is the present participle, that is their fourth form, or where we use the ing form. These are the forms of the verbs, but is here also, that is the S inflection. What is S inflection? S inflection is that form of verb that is used with the third person singular. Like in the present indefinite with the main verb we use go, say goes, वो जाता है, he goes, go mean जाना and goes जाता है. जब हमें ता है या ती है की साउंड का मीनिंग लेना होता है तो हम S inflection form यूज करते हैं. That is also the fifth form of the verb. That's why we say he, वो एक लड़का है. This is present indefinite tense. So is, am, are make the present indefinite tense. They also make the tense. They are not only simply the uses. Is, am, are the first forms, as we use in present indefinite the first form of verb. So S inflection form is that is used with the third person singular, and am is used only with I, and are is used with the third person plurals and with second person you. So they fulfill all the conditions of the verb. Is, am, are the first forms, present forms. They make the present indefinite tense. Was and were are the past forms. Second forms, they make the past indefinite tense, as we use second form in the past indefinite. So they are also used as the past indefinite tense. But here we are going to use is, am, are and was verb as simple the use. Why we use? We use is, am, are and was verb to introduce a noun or an adjective. When we talk about a noun or we talk about an adjective in the present tense, we use is, am, are, and in the past tense to introduce them we use was verb. Likewise, been is their third form. Is, am, are the present forms. Was verb the past form. Being is their past participle, their third form, and being is their fourth form, that is present participle. Is their fifth form, that is with S inflection. Let's start reading their exercises. We use is, am, are and was verb to introduce a noun or an adjective. Take out your books. It is page number 70. As we have said, we use is, am, are and was verb to introduce a noun and adjective. You can see in every sentence we are introducing something, noun or adjective. Like first sentence is Pakistan मेरा प्यारा वतन है. Pakistan is my dear homeland. Dear is adjective and homeland वतन, it is a noun. Pakistan is my dear homeland. मैं पाकिस्तानी लड़का हूँ. I am a Pakistani boy. वो तमाम अच्छे तालिबे इल्म हैं. They are all good students or they all are good students. ये कीमती घड़ी है. This is a costly watch or this is a precious watch. Costly or precious, they have the same meaning. This word is precious. ये फूल सुर्ख हैं. These are red flowers. मेरी उम्र 15 वर्ष है या मैं 15 साल का हूँ. I am 15 years old. This word is year, not year. It is years. वो बड़ा मक्कार आदमी था. He was a very cunning man. मक्कार, चालाक, cunning. Novel मेज पर था. The novel was on the table. If the sentence is मेज पर novel था, जब हमारे पास सब्जेक्ट स्टार्ट में ना हो, हमें नहीं पता चल रहा हो कि हम सेंटेंस कहाँ से स्टार्ट करें. मेज पर नॉवल था. अब मेज शुरू में आ रहा है, हम मेज से तो नहीं स्टार्ट कर सकते. देन वी यूज देयर टू शो द प्रेजेंस. देयर वाज अ नॉवल ऑन द टेबल. बट व्हेन द सेंटेंस इज गिवन इन दिस वे, नोवेल में इस पर था कि नोवेल जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं एज अ सब्जेक्ट जो वर्ड यूज हो रहा है वो भी स्टार्ट में दिया गया है। नाउ वी कैन से नोवेल में इस पर था, द नोवेल वाज ऑन द टेबल। चाय गर्म थी, टी वाज हॉट, पहाड़ की चोटी बुलंद थी, द टॉप ऑफ द हिल वाज हाई, हम सब खुश थे, वी ऑल वर हैप्पी, ये किताबें दिलचस्प थीं, दीज बुक्स वर इंटरेस्टिंग, हमारे सिपाही बहादुर थे, आवर सोल्जर्स वर ब्रेव, वो मेरे गहरे दोस्त थे, दे वर माई इंटीमेट फ्रेंड्स, गहरे दोस्त इंटीमेट, गहरा हम कोई खड्डा गहरा खोदते हैं, गड्ढा खोदते हैं, वो डीप होगा गहरा, उर्दू में एक ही वर्ड है गहरा, लेकिन इंग्लिश में इट हैज डिफरेंट सेंस। दोस्त गहरे हैं इंटीमेट, कोई गड्ढा कोई वेल गहरा है दैट इज डीप। सो दोस्त गहरे हैं, दे वर माई इंटीमेट फ्रेंड्स। हमीद के बेटे ज़हीन थे, हमीद्स sons were intelligent. And now we have negative sentences. As I have told you, these are also the forms of the verbs. These are also the auxiliary verbs. We use them as the helping verbs. So while using not, we can use them as helping verb. We use not after is, am, are and was, were. In the negative sentences, after is, am, are and was, were, we will use not. किताबें मेज पर नहीं हैं, books are not on the table. The same sentence, when your subject is given, you can say books are on the table. If the sentence is मेज पर किताबें नहीं हैं, then it was the use of there. There are no books on the table. But when we have the sentence किताबें मेज पर नहीं हैं, books are not on the table. वो बदकिस्मत आदमी नहीं है, he is not an unlucky man. मैं बुरा आदमी नहीं हूँ, I am not an old man. तमाम आम खट्टे ना थे, all the mangoes were not sour. S-O-U-R, this word is sour, like our, O-U-R, our. ये बच्चे गंदे ना थे, these children were not dirty. फकीर लंगड़ा ना था, the beggar was not lame. Beggar, be careful, this word is from beg. Beg मांगना, भीख मांगना से beggar, B-E-G-G-A-R. Mostly our students commit here mistake. B-A-G-G-E-R, they write in this way. It is, be careful, it is from beg, B-E-G, beg. We have doubled this G and then added A-R. It is B-E-G-G-A-R, beggar. गली में रोशनी ना थी, there was no light in the street. ये किताब दिलचस्प ना थी, this book was not interesting. Then we have interrogative sentences as is, am, are and was, were are used as helping verbs. So while changing into interrogative, we take out them from in the sentence. क्या धूप तेज है? Is the sun hot? Sun, सूरज, और sun हमें धूप का मीनिंग भी देता है, वो धूप में बैठा हुआ है, he is sitting in sun. We can say sun, धूप. Is the sun hot? क्या पानी ठंडा है? Is the water cold? क्या सेब मीठा फल है? Is apple a sweet fruit? F-R-U-I-T. Be careful. क्या अंगूर सब्ज हैं? Are the grapes green? तुम अफसुर्दा क्यों हो? Why are you sad? वो अब कहाँ है? Where is he now? बाग में कौन था? Who was in the garden? or who was there in the garden? We can also solve it by using there. क्या मैं वफादार नहीं हूँ? Now this sentence is negative and interrogative. Am I not faithful? Take out your helping verb and, but not will remain at its place. Am I not faithful? तुम्हारे दोस्त कहाँ थे? Where were your friends? वो दरख्त कितने ऊंचे थे? How tall were those trees? Yes, you have read the sentence hills and mountains. Hills and mountains are high. पहाड़ ऊंचे होते हैं high, but दरख्त ऊंचे क्या होते हैं? Tall. Trees are